Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the cardiovascular system. During the lecture, you must keep your notes in front of you. That's help you to understand the lecture. Okay, the cardiovascular system that deals with the study of heart, that deals with the study of heart, study of blood vessels, blood and the circulation of blood. Okay, so we can say the cvs or cardiovascular system is the system which deals with the study of heart, blood vessels, blood, and also deals with the circulation of blood in the body. Okay, first we are discussing about the circulation of blood. Here with we are discussing about two main circulations or two main circuit of circulation of blood in our body. That first is the pulmonary circulation and another one is systematic circulation. But here you know that there is not only these two circulations, some another circulation in our body uh, that we will discuss further. Okay, herewith we are discussing about pulmonary and systematic circulation. In the pulmonary and systematic circulation, pulmonary circulation is a circulation in which the blood purify in the lungs. Okay, the gases exchange occur in the lungs and that pure blood comes into the left atrium, and eventually from the left atrium that blood goes into the left ventricle, and that left ventricle pumps the blood here, pumps the blood in the systematic circulation. Okay, systematic circulation, left ventricle pumps the blood and that blood goes from the aorta, then aorta to arteries, the from the different type of aortas that we will discuss later, from the aortas to the arteries, arteries to the capillary network, and here from the capillary network, here is the gas exchange occur, that oxygenated blood gives the oxygen and some other necessary nutrients to the blood cell, to the tissues, and it takes some waste from the tissues. Then the uh, unpurified blood, or we can say the carbon dioxide rich blood, goes from the tissues to the from to the systematic veins, that is called, we can say, the veins, venules to veins, then inferior vena cava and superior vena cava, and eventually into the right atrium. From the right atrium blood goes to the right ventricle, then right ventricle pumps the blood into the pulmonary arteries, and the pulmonary arteries carry the blood to the lungs, and that system is continuous. So we can say the pulmonary circulations, that is a circulation that contain blood flow or blood circulation between lungs and the heart. Okay, when circulation occurs between the lungs and heart, that is called pulmonary circulation. And when communication of blood occurs between the body cells or body organs, and between body organs and heart, that is called systematic circulation. Okay, it there are two, these are two basic circulations in our body which we are discussing here. Another type of another types of some another types of circulation is also present in our body, that is called portal circulation. What is that? Portal circulation. First of all, you must understand what is the meaning of portal circulation. And the portal circulation is a type of circulation, is a special type of circulation in which blood passes twice through the capillary network. Passes twice through the capillary network before returning back to the heart. Clearly, here I mention that portal circulation, that means blood passes twice through capillary network before returning back to the heart. Okay, it is found in three sites only in our body. First, GIT system. In GIT, it is found in as a hepatic portal system that we will discuss in the GIT system. Okay, and second one is the pituitary portal system. Pituitary, you just correct that spelling. Pituitary portal system. And third, in our body another portal system is there in the renal or kidneys, that is called the renal portal system, that we will discuss in excretory system. Okay, these are another type of circulation. Here you just kept in your mind that if we are talking about the circulation of blood, then we are talking about pulmonary circulation, then we are talking about pulmonary circulation and systematic circulation. Okay, and if we are talking about portal circulation, herewith we are discussing about a special type of circulation in which blood passes twice in capillary network. Okay, and only three portal circulation we have in our body. That one is in the GI system, that is called the hepatic portal system, in the brain, that is called pituitary portal system, and in kidneys, that is called renal portal system. Okay, next we are discussing about, here you can understand the portal system. Next we are discussing about the heart. Okay, here we are going to discuss about something about the heart. Okay, the heart. The heart is a organ that is cone shaped. It is a muscular organ. It is a muscular cone shaped organ that is situated in the medial 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 media sternum region. Okay, here I draw something. Okay, it's your sternum. Okay, it's your sternum bone, that is also called the chest bone. It is form your thoracic case. It forms your thoracic case. Case is formed by the uh, ribs and sternum. By the help of ribs and sternum, here is it is the sternum and media sternal region. That means your heart is located here in the media sternal region, that is medial to the sternum, that is located in middle of the media sternum. Okay, in the left side, that it, and the heart, in Greek heart is called cardio. Heart is called cardio. From there you got some names: cardiac system, cardiac circulation. ठीक है, that these names are came from the Greek word cardio. And in the Latin, the heart is called core. In the Latin word, the heart is called core. From you get some names like coronary circulation. Okay, coronary artery, coronary vein. These words came from the Latin word core, which resemble your heart. Your heart is near about 12 centimeter long, it is wide near about 9 centimeter long, and it is thick near about 6 centimeter. Okay, heart is long 12 centimeter, that is 5 inches. It is wide near about 9 centimeter, that is 3.5 centimeter, 3.5 inch, and 6 centimeter thick, that is near about 2.5 inches. Okay, your heart contain near about 250 gram weight in adult female and 300 gram in males. Okay, next we are discussing about heart is covered by a layer that is called pericardium. Here you can see the diagram of heart. First you can see that your heart having the a structure that is cone shape. The base of heart, the lower portion, or we can say the triangular portion, lower triangular portion of heart is called base of heart, and upper portion is called the apex of heart. The lower portion, sorry, here we can say lower portion is the apex of heart, you can change that, and upper portion is the base of heart. Okay, the triangular portion is apex and upper portion is base. Basically your heart having the four chambers that we will discuss later. Your heart having four chambers: 1, 2, 3, 4. Four chambers. The upper two chambers, upper two, right and left atrium, and lower two chambers are right and left ventricles. Okay, it is the basic. You just we are discussing about later in the detail about the heart. Here you just know the basics of heart. Your heart contains four chambers. Upper two are known as atrium and lower two are known as ventricles. The right side is right atrium and left side is not known as the left ventricle. Okay, your heart is covered with a pouch. That pouch is called as pericardium. That pouch is called pericardium. Basically your heart, we can say, packed with a pouch that is called pericardium. Peri means surrounding, cardium means heart. A layer that surrounds your heart is called pericardium. It is dual walled. यहाँ पे डबल वॉल्ड स्ट्रक्चर होती है. द आउटर इज नोन एज fibrous pericardium. What is fibrous pericardium? You can see in your notes, outer is known as fibrous and inner is known as serous. Inner is known as serous pericardium. The outer fibrous pericardium is composed of tough, inelastic, dense, irregular connective tissue. The outer pericardium is composed of dense connective tissue. Okay, tough होता है. Inelastic means there is no elasticity is present. The outer pericardium is tough, dense connective tissue, and inner pericardium is formed, that is called the serous pericardium. Inner is called serous pericardium. Okay, serous pericardium, that is formed from thinner, more di- uh, membrane that forms dual layer around the heart. Then the serous pericardium also formed, it is thinner, that also form two layers. One is called parietal layer and another one is called visceral layer. Okay, the parietal layer, this, it is the part of serous pericardium, is it is made up from the fibers, and visceral pericardium, that is also called the epicardium, it is the layer of heart. Visceral pericardium, that is nearest to the heart, forms from the fiber, and it is also called the epicardium. It is also called epicardium. Visceral pericardium is also known as the epicardium. Visceral pericardium is also known as epicardium. Okay, so basically we are discussing about the pericardium. Your pericardium have a outer pouch of heart that contains two type of layers. One is fibrous pericardium, which is formed from the connective tissue, ठीक है, dense connective tissue. The outer pericardium is known as fibrous pericardium, and inner is known as visceral pericardium. And the visceral pericardium also having two layers. One is pericardium, yeah, parietal layer, and another one is visceral layer. Okay, in visceral layer. So next we are discussing in the further lectures. So keep watching, and if you have any doubt, you can call or ask me. Okay, thank you, students. Thank you very much.